Chalo, sir. So again, very good afternoon to everyone. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Just a very quick yes or no. Just a very quick yes or no, everyone. Whether I'm audible, visible. You guys can hear me, see me clearly. Right? I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly. Perfect, sir. Chalo. Siddharth, Madhuri, Maria, yes, good afternoon. Very good afternoon to everyone. So, first class on the practice batch, the final hurdle before your tier 2, right? So, without any delay, then let's start. Again, before I start, it is going to be this batch. What we are going to do, let me just quickly give you an idea. This is going to be a little high pace batch. We are trying to, like, we'll be doing a little high level content because of tier 2. You see, tier 2 may what happens, let me, you guys have the idea, but again, let me just give you the quick overview. Sir, 80% of the paper, okay, 80% of your paper, this is going to be like tier 1. It will be very similar to tier 1 only. But the problem, the selection will be based on the remaining 20%. This is what is extra. This is where we will mostly focus on, because my assumption is you guys have all clear tier 1. That's why you are like in this batch. So you know this 80%. I'm assuming that you guys already have a good idea about this 80%. You will be able to do this 80%. So I will mostly focus on these 20%, clearing these 20%. Okay. Now again, that doesn't mean we'll not go venture at all into this. We will definitely solve a few questions every now and then or from this 80%. But mostly we will focus on this 20%. Okay. With that being said, so again, if the level of questions are high, definitely we generally slow down because we cannot solve that many questions. But here I am trying to do as many questions as possible. Now, with that being said, let's move on to the first question. But before that, this is the Telegram link. If anybody wants to join the group, you can definitely scan this link, and from there you will be redirected to the Telegram group. If this will be there in the notes as well. So, first question right here in front of you guys, a question from trigonometry. So I'll give you guys a timer. I'll give you guys a minute for solving this. I don't think you need anything more than a minute. So again, please try to solve this within a minute, sir. Please try to solve this within a minute. Very quickly. Very quickly, please try to solve this. First question right in front of you guys. Very simple question. I need answers from everyone. Need answers. Last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds, sir. Jaldi. Madhuri has given us answer. Madhuri is saying 4. 14 by 255. Very good. Very good. Siddharth is also saying option D. Perfect. Let's move on. Let's see who is correct. Acha, sine A is given. So how to do this, sir? How can we do this actually? Sir, let's draw a simple diagram. Let us draw a simple diagram, sir. Sir, 5 by 13, meaning, sir? Meaning this is A, this is 5, this is 13. Sir, Pythagorean triplet, this is 12. So I can figure out any ratio now. I can figure out any ratio now. Maria is also saying 4. Divya is saying 4. Perfect. So everybody is saying 4. Achha. Cos A. Cos A will be 12 by 13, sir. I'm just putting values. Minus twice of tan A. Tan A is 5 by 12. divided by, sir, sin A is already given as 5 by 13 plus 3 tan A, 3 into 5 by 12. Now what is left is the calculation. So 13 into 6, you don't need to multiply. So 6 12s are 72 minus 5 13s, 65. So 72 and 65. That is, sir, 7 here. 7 here, and this is 13 into 4 is the LCM here. So this is 20 plus 65, 85, sir. 13, 13 gone, 2, 3. 7 into 2, 14, 85 into 3. So 14 over 255 is the correct answer, sir. 14 over 255. So all of your answers were 100% correct. Yes. So again, all the answers that I've got is correct. Very, very good, everyone. So again, I hope this is clear. Moving on. Moving on to the next one, which is a question from profit and loss. Again, I'll give you a simple timer. I guess again 1 minute should be enough. So just solve this. Solve this, please. Jaldi. Jaldi se, sir. Very, very quickly. Need answers. Need answers. Again, anyone doesn't understand a thing, please feel free to ask. Feel absolutely free to ask. Don't hesitate to ask me for even a second. I got already answer from Santosh. Santosh, very good. Santosh is saying C, 810. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, 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 very good. Divya has given answer. Prabhu has given answer. Very, very good. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Anyone from YouTube? Maria has given answer. Vinith has given answer. Very good, very good. Chalo. So let's read the question. A man sells a mobile phone at this and loses something. If he had sold it for this, his gain would have been double of the former loss. Achha. Sir, how to understand this situations? Always I say, or I advised you guys to go like this. So think. Sir, 680 rupees he has sold it for. And the other selling price is 1070 rupees. Now, over if he sells it for 680, there is something loss. And if he sells it for 1070, there is profit. Meaning the CP is somewhere along the middle, sir. CP is somewhere in the middle. CP is in the middle. Now they are saying, so please understand, if this is CP, then this region is the loss, sir. And this region is his profit, this distance. Now they are saying, what they are saying? They are saying the loss, the gain would have been double the former loss. So loss, if it is 1, then the gain or the profit is 2, meaning the ratio is 1:2, sir. And what is the gap over, what is the distance or the gap here total? So 1070 minus 680. So 680, 1080, that is like total is 400. So 10 like less, it is 390. Divide this in the ratio 1:2. So this will be 130, this will be 260. Now I need what? Cost price. CP you can now figure out in 2 different ways. How? So either you can say 680 and this portion is 130. So CP is 680 plus 130, which is going to be 810. Or you can say, no, sir, I'll go from there. So this is 1070 minus 260, you will get to CP. Or you can say 1070 minus 260, there also you will get to 810. So both you can do, you will get to the same answer, which is in this case 810. Everybody, is this clear? Is this clear, sir? A very simple way of solving this type of questions. A very, very, very simple way. Clear, everyone? Absolutely clear. Makes sense? Makes sense, sir? Yesterday's live mock also had a question like this. Yesterday's live mock, which I analyzed, had a question such as this one. So, third one, a question from this. Acha, all these questions, please understand, they are what? They are all PYQs. I have not made a single question. All these questions today are all PYQs from Tier 2 examination. All of these are PYQs, sir, from Tier 2 examination. If you want the exam information, I can give that to you as well. Which exam, which shift, if you want to know, feel free to ask. Chalo, sir, chalo, sir. Answers, answers, answers. C 17248. Perfect. Chalo, let's see. I've got a few answers. Very good. If the diameter of the base of a cone is this, curved surface area is this, what is the volume? 2024 means. 2024 means this one. ठीक है? Chalo, let's see. Diameter of the base is this. So radius will be what? So 28. Correct? Now, curved surface area is this. Sir, what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area of anything which is having uniform cross section is, sir, perimeter of the base, which in this case is 2 pi r into height. That is equal to 3080. Sir, we know the value of r. I can figure out h from here. 2 pi means 44 by 7. R is 28 into h. It is equal to 3080. Now they are asking what has to be the volume. चलो let's see. Sir, 7 fours are this. 4 से करो. Sir, 4, 4, 4, 4. 7s are 28. 2. 7s are 28. This. Sir, 11 fours. 11 70s. 2 से 35, sir. So age becomes 35 by 2. Now they are asking what is the volume, sir. Sir, volume is going to be what? Pi r square. 28 into 28 into 8, sir. That is 35 divided by 2. This is 11. This. Sir, 11 into 35 into 4 you do. Sir, 140 into 28. 28 means 14 into 2. 14, 14s are 196 into 2, sir. So 3920. 3920 into 11. So 3. Am I audible now? Am I audible now? Just a second, Siddharth. There have been some issue. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Now everybody can see me, hear me clearly, na? No, no. Now it should be actually the wire was disconnected, na? Like मेरा पैर लग गया था. Yes, yes. The router wire just got disconnected. Like while working, na? Like I just disconnected it by my leg only. It was accident. It was an accidental. It was accidentally got disconnected. It just got disconnected. Okay, extremely sorry for that. And I messed up in the question as well. I have not seen this was a cone. I was thinking, I've done in the entire question thinking it's a cylinder, and I'm saying why the answer is not coming. I have done the entire question based like taking this as a cylinder, and why, and I'm getting almost thrice the answer, and which should be the case, right? Extremely sorry, everyone. I have not seen this. My mistake, I have not read the question properly. My mistake, everyone. Acha, now the audio video is okay, na? Just a quick confirmation last time. Audio video is fine, na? I don't know what happened. Chal. So it just got disconnected for a second because of the router where just got disconnected. It's a cone. Extremely sorry, I have not seen this. So all the other things will be same. Okay. Acha, so from here I'll get L, not H. So this is pi RL, 22 by 7 into R is 28 into L. That is equal to 3080, right? So you just calculate. Sir, 4, 7s are this, 770. Sir, 11 twos are this, 11 70s are this. So L is 35. Acha, can anyone tell me L is 35, R is 28? Sir, it's a Pythagorean triplet. It has to be, because we all know in a cone R, H, and L, they will create a Pythagorean triplet. Sir, can anyone tell me then what is the value of H? Because I know R is 28 and we just got L is equal to 35. So can anyone tell me what is the value of H from here? What is the value of H from here? Sir, if you don't know, again, let me say, you have to calculate then. You have to then calculate. But again, you should actually know this. Sir, please understand, multiples of always any Pythagorean triplet, if you multiply that, any Pythagorean triplet with a particular number, same number, that is also a Pythagorean triplet. If you don't know, think like this. You see, all are multiples of 7. So this is 7 into 4. This is 7 into 5. So 4 and 5. So what is the other triplet? The smallest triplet, 3, 4, 5. So 4 and 5 we have got. So the other triplet might be 3. Now again, everything is getting multiplied by 7. So it has to be multiplied by 7 as well. So the other number must be 21. That is the value of H, sir. So 3, 4, 5 is the triplet actually into 7. So H is 21. So volume will be, sir. Now cone means 1/3 into pi r square H. Pi is 22 by 7. R square is 28 square. That is 28 into 28 into H. H is 21, sir. Sir, 7 and 3, 21, 21 gone, sir. So 28 square, 824 into 22 is going to be the answer. Again, you see, you don't need to do all this. Why? You can just check the unit digit. Sir, 4 into 2, the unit digit is going to be 8. There is only one option whose unit digit is 8. Just mark that. Just mark that. Now, this is the normal way. Now, any other way, sir? Any other way of figuring out volume in from the foundation batches? I'm telling you this multiple times. Okay, sir, if they are asking you volume, and all the options are given as integers, and they have not used, they are saying use pi as 22 by 7, not 3.14. So you can do one thing. You can always check for 11 multiple without doing a single line. And if you're lucky, you will end up getting only one 11 multiple. Let's check whether we are lucky or not. Sir, this is -1, -3. Sir, this is not a 11 multiple. -3, -1. No, sir, this is not. Sir, -6. This is -6. I'm writing here. Huh? Then, sir, -2 and sir, +8. Sir, 0. It's a 11 multiple. Sir, here again, -4, -6 +1. So 10 plus 1, sir, it is not a multiple, -9. So there is only one option out of these four, which is a 11 multiple. Which is a 11 multiple. When it's not multiple of 22, we don't check. We directly check multiple of like 11. But again, your logic is also correct. Again, if 11 multiple we don't get, then we check for 11 multiple of 22. So directly, again, you see, if let's say this particular option, option 4, this is also a 11 multiple. Just for an example, let's say this was also an 11 multiple, then I will go for like the last one. Okay, sir, if this is also a multiple of 11, but again this is an odd number, so this cannot be a multiple of 2. This cannot be a multiple of 2 of 22, because odd number cannot be a multiple of even numbers. So that logic will eliminate option 4. Clear, everyone? So this is the absolute shortcut. Whenever in 3D mensuration especially, they are asking you volume, and you see this particular line, pi is given as 22 by 7, not as 3.14. All the options are given as integers. Always check this before you do anything. Because if you do it like this, you see, I can bypass every calculation. I don't need to do even a single line of calculation. Clear, sir? Everybody, I hope this is 100% clear. I hope this is 100% clear, sir. Clear, everyone? Moving on, sir. Moving on then. Sir, median of the data. You will say, sir, आपको और कुछ नहीं मिला. But again, please understand, these type of questions are going to be very important for your exam this year. So again, don't avoid. Please do not avoid these questions. I've given you 1.5 minutes. Please do this as quickly as possible. Please do this as quickly as possible. Please do this as quickly as possible. And also, please do let me know if you have any problem in the sound, because the room is enclosed. So I've just turned on the fan for 5 minutes, because all these elements heat a lot. So if you guys face any issue in the sound, please let me know. Any issues in the sound? I've just turned on the fan in the lowest settings. Maria is saying 4. Very good, Maria. Very good. So time is up. I haven't got any other answers apart from Maria. Any other answers? I just got the second answer, third answer. Divya, Siddharth, both of you have given me the answers. 4. Okay. Chalo. Sir, class interval given, frequency given. Sir, median I need. So for that, I'll need another column. That is cumulative frequency, sir. Chalo, less than type. So it will be 9. 9 plus 16, 25. This is 49. 49 plus 50 plus 14, 64. 64 plus this 68. This is total. This is the value of n. Right? Sir, what is the formula? Sir, median x bar is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Right? Sir, first of all, before I can put L vagera anything, I need my median class. I need to identify my median class. Can anyone tell me which one is my median class here? Median is half, meaning 34th and 35th. Wherever is these two data, that is my median class. So 34 and 35th data will be over here, sir. Because you see, if 25th is here, so 26th to 49th data sets all are in this particular class, 40 to 60. Yes, Siddharth, you are correct. So this is my median class. So this is my median class. So L is the lower limit of this median class, that is 40, sir. Plus. Now, n by 2. N by 2 is, sir, 68 by 2 minus CF. CF is cumulative frequency of the class previous to the median class. So this is your median class. Previous class is this, cumulative frequency of that. That is 25, sir. Divided by F. F is the frequency of the median class. Don't take cumulative frequency. That's a very common mistake. Frequency of the median class, 24. And H is something which is common. That is the class width. That is, say, 20, 20 to 40, meaning class width is 20 each. So which is 20. Just calculate this. So it is 40 plus 34 minus this 9 by 24 into 20, sir. 3 8s, 3 3s. Sir, 40. Acha. 4 5s, 4 2s. 3 5s are 15 by 2, meaning, sir, 7.5. If you calculate, you will get 47.5 as the answer, which is option number 4, sir. Which is option number 4, sir. Again, put 5 stars into this question. 2024 had a question like this. 2025 had, both the shifts had questions like this. Both the shifts, they asked median only. Nothing, not more, not anything else. Both the shifts, they asked median only. This is the exact question from 2024. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear, everyone? Anybody having any doubts, please ask. Anybody having any doubts, please ask, sir. Again, if you don't know this formula, you cannot do anything. If you don't know the formula. Similarly, if somebody asks you, same thing, frequency and class interval, they are asking you, instead of median, they may ask you mode as well. Again, for that, there is a formula. X bar is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, sir. Okay, this is the formula for mode. Don't worry, we will do these like questions based on this formula as well in the upcoming classes. Don't worry, everything I'll cover. This is also something that so again, you will have a complete revision in this particular course. Just I've given you the formula just to give you a like quick recapitulation. Perfect. Moving on to your next question, sir. LCM of this. This is also from last year's PYQ. Last year's PYQ. Quickly, very, very, very quickly, please answer. It should not take you, I'm not giving you timer for this. It should not take you more than 10 seconds. Timer देने में ज़्यादा time लगेगा. It would take more time to give you timer than to solve this. Chalo, chalo, chalo. You see how you do elimination. Best option. So 2 cube, 2 square, 9 cube. So my answer will have 2 square. Meaning option 4, option 1 cancels. My possible answers can be this. Let's figure out 9. So 9 cube, 9 square, sir. And this is, एक second, there is some printing mistake, sir. There is some printing mistakes. Achha, sorry, एक second, just a second, just a second. LCM they have asked. Sorry, they have asked LCM. I was doing HCF. Sorry. Take the highest. LCM means opposite, sir. You need to take the highest, sir. 2 cube, 2 square. There is no 2 here, so I'll take the highest. 2 cube. Sir, opposite, sir. 1 and 4 can be the answer. 1 and 4. Sir, 2 and 3 you cancel. 9 mein, sir, you have 9 square, you have 9 cube. Sir, you will take 9 cube. So definitely 9 cube is here. So get rid of this. Answer is option 1. You don't need to check anything. You do not need to check anything else. Only by checking the first two digits, 2 and 9, I can get to my answer. I can get to my answer, sir. Clear this, everybody? Everyone, sir. This is 100% clear. This is 100% clear, sir. Tell me, yes or no? Please tell me a very, very quick yes or no. Vinit, this is last year's question, brother. Last year's POIQ. This is exactly the level. Vinit, this is exactly last year's POIQ. Exact question, brother. This is 18th January ko pucha gaya tha. This question was asked in 18th January. You just Google it. Just take a screenshot in like a picture in Google Lens and just you'll see. Take it. Mock, yeah, Vinit, mock will be a little difficult. Brother, you see, I am taking a mix of all the questions. I will take difficult questions. First class, I've given a few questions which are a little on the easier side. But again, there are difficult questions as well. First class, mein, if I take all the difficult questions, na, so everybody will say, sir, ye to bahut difficult ho gaya. Right? So again, I should give a little leeway. Sir, 1 minute 30 seconds for this one, please. Solve. Please solve this, sir. Change this here because of change in vendor. Divya, you see, I do not think there will be any drastic change. Divya, there will not be any drastic change. The level can go up a little bit here and there, but again, don't expect that there will be a very big change or very drastic change. Because nothing drastic happened in the prelims as well. Apart from a little change in level of a few subjects. Quant was not one of them. Chalo, sir. Need answers? Need answers, sir? Need answers, sir? Time is up. Again, this is from the same question paper I picked. 18th January cup shift. This is, I have picked from the same question paper of 18th January 2025. Same exam date as this year's. Same exam date as this year's. Vinith has given answer 2. Very, very good. Anybody else? Anybody else, sir? Anybody else? Muralidhar, the owner of a grocery store, offers a discount scheme. Buy 5 water bottles and get 1 for free to his customers. What is the effective percentage discount? Sir, tell me what. Tell me what is the effective discount he is offering. Sir, please understand. If you are buying 5, you are getting 1 for free. So please understand, that means total, let's say every bottle, the price is 10 rupees. Just for your understanding. Just for your understanding, you see, I don't want to use any formulas. Okay? So, six bottles, this is MP, sir. The marked price of every bottle is 10 rupees. So, six bottles, the MP will be, sir, 60 rupees. But you are buying these six bottles in how many rupees? You are getting to buy these six bottles in paying for only five. You are only paying for five, and the sixth one you are getting for free. So you are only paying how much? You are only paying. So SP Murlidhar is only like selling it to you, or you are only paying 50 rupees for buying this all six bottles. Yes or no, sir? You are only paying 50 rupees to like buy all six bottles because you are only buying five, paying for five, and you are getting the sixth one as extra. So how much will be? How much will be, sir, the discount? So 10 rupee discount actually Muralidhar is giving you. Out of how much? MP is 60 rupees. But he एक second. एक second, sir. Answers तो गलत है. I've not noticed it. Answers तो सही नहीं है, sir. ये 16.67. Options तो, sir, this is the answer. Just let me check. Sir, options are wrong, okay? My typist may have made some mistake. Because 1 by 6 stands for 16.66%. Okay, this is going to be your correct answer. This is going to be your correct answer. Just make a little bit of like modification. So this is the answer, not this. And you see why this is, I'm saying wrong. Not two decimal places are also not matching over here. Two decimal places, the condition that is given in the question, he might have put something over here from some other place. Pata nahi what he has actually done. I don't really know what mistake he has done. Okay, no worries. Chalo, next one, sir. Sir, a time and work question again from the. Achha, I don't think this is from that 2025 paper. This is from another. But again, this is PYQ only. I can give you the source. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Good question, this one. Good question, this one. Please solve this, sir. Please solve this. And I'm giving you the source. This is 13th of September 2019 paper, CGL Tier 2. Please do this. And last question, the last question, my typist, abhi maine dekha. My typist has given you the options for the previous question on that paper. That was the 25th question of that paper. So my typist 24th question ka options type kar diya. So last question, the options were just, achha, you do this, I'll give you the options later. So I got 3 answers already. Vinith, Maria, Siddharth. Very, very good, everybody. I've got 3 answers already. I need a few more. At least 10 answers I need. At least I need 10 answers. I at least need 10 answers from you guys. Jaldi thoda. At least I need 10 answers, sir. I got fourth one from Saini, right? Divya, perfect. Acha. Previous question, the options were 13.33%, 16.67%, 13.67%, and 20.00%. These are the official options that was given. These were the official options that were given. ठीक है? And my typist थोड़ा गलती हो गया, and it happens from everyone. चलो, let's solve this. Let us solve this, sir. A can do 1/3 in 15 days. First things first. So full work, 1/3 15 days, full work 45 days. Third, 3 times the time. B can do 3/4. 75 means 3/4 in 18 days. So the whole work, 18 into 4/3. That is 24 days, sir. C can do the same work in 36 days. First things first. So let's figure out their efficiency ratio, sir. Achha, sir, time ratio is what? What is their time ratio, everyone? So times are 45 ratio 24 ratio 36. So 3 say, or 3 say 12, 3 8s, 3 15s. So efficiency ratio will be what, sir? Sir, 8 into 12, 96. 15 into 12, 180. Sir, 8 into 15, 120, sir. Correct? So 12 say, 12 tens are this, 12 15s are this, 12 8s are this. So the efficiency ratio is 8, 15 and 10. And sir, total work is how much? Let's go with this. A can do 8 units a day and he is taking 45 days to do it. Sir, 45 into 2 is 90, 90 into 4 is 360. So total work is 360 units. This much is done. This is the basic. We have to do it in every question. This much is done. Now the real story starts from here. A, B and C worked for 8 days. How much work will be done, everyone? You tell me. You guys tell me, sir. Sir, B and C, they will do 25 units together. 15 and 10. Done. They worked for 8 days. Total 200 units done. 25 into 8. So total 200 units are done, sir. So remaining is 160 units, sir. Remaining are 160 units. Remaining are 160 units. Now, in how many days these 160 units will be done or completed by A alone? A alone will complete. So A is doing 8 units a day. So 160 units A will do in how many days? So 20 days. So that's your answer. That is 100% your correct answer, which is option number 2, sir. Siddharth, sir, in the previous question involving discount, why 60 was there? Yes, let me explain. I'll explain. Well, let me just complete this. Is it clear, everyone? Just give me a second, brother. Siddharth, I'll explain. I'll go back. But again, is this clear 100%? This is 100% clear, everyone. It's not a very difficult question. Achha. Siddharth is saying why I have taken 60 here, not 50, not any other value. Tell me, Siddharth, marked price was what? In this situation, what was my marked price? Siddharth, you tell me, what was my marked price in this situation? Over here, what was my marked price, sir? Tell me. Vinith, that is a formula. Actually, I don't want to get to the formula. That's why actually I explained it like that. Sir, mark price is na 60. Why? Please understand, brother. I am getting, I am taking home total six, like kind of 6 water bottles. Every water bottle costs, let's say, 10 rupees. So 6 water bottles on the MP on the every water bottle is 10 rupees. So 6 water bottles, the MP will be 60 rupees. Now again, I'm not paying 60. Because of the discount, I'm paying something less. I am only paying for 5. Buy 5. I'm buying 5. The sixth one I'm getting for free. So again, MP for all the 6 bottles is what then? That is 60. But again, I'm only paying for 50, meaning SP for the shopkeeper is 50. So that means he is actually giving me a 10 rupee discount. So discount out of MP, because discount always works on what? For example, profit always gets calculated on CP. Similarly, discount always gets calculated on what? MP. So that's why discount by MP, and any fraction into 100 gives you percentage. Clear? Now, Vinith Khanna, has said this. Please understand this. The simple formula is free items. If you want to do it in 10 seconds, out of total items into 100, if you do, you will get the discount percentage. But again, I am very much against remembering formulas like this, honestly. Okay? Discount percentages, you can calculate like this. Okay? But why I'm saying this? It's if you have already done this, it's okay. But again, it's kitna yaad rakhoge aise? That is what I always say. So I always do it. Still, I do it like this. I don't use this. Okay? Now again, when you teach like the things over and over again, tab to karna hi padta hai. But again, that is what I generally do still. Sir, again another advanced maths question. Please solve this, sir. Acha, this is a very easy question actually. I'm giving you a minute's time. It should be enough. It should be enough, everyone. Please do. Please do this, sir. Okay. And again, one thing I'll say this to everyone. Na. Please do not change the way you think or you have prepared. Now, if you have already prepared through formulas, please understand this. If you have already prepared through formulas, don't change it for the last month. If you have already prepared through concepts, don't change it because I'm saying so. No, I'm saying this to everyone. Please don't do that. Now is not the time to experiment. Now it's not the time to experiment. Okay? I wanted to actually hear this very, very, very line. It is right angle triangle. This is exactly a right angle triangle, sir. If you guys can figure this much out, ki, sir, this is a right angle triangle, then it's done. Now again, many will say, sir, how did you know? Don't worry, calculate kar lete. Let's use Pythagoras. Sir, I need squares. Sir, again, how to figure out squares? Squares ka, I hope you guys all know base method. Base method is a very good method to calculate squares in 10 seconds. Okay? So let's say I need 90 square. Achha, 90 square, we don't need any method to calculate. That is 8100. Sir, 106 square is how much? If you don't know, listen to me very carefully for 10 seconds, you'll understand. 106 is how much more than 100, everyone? 106 is how much more than 100, sir? 6 more. Square of 6, 36. Write it down. Sir, 106 is 6 more. Add 6 to 106. So that will become 112. This is square of 106. This is 106 square. This is your base method. 56. Sir, this is how much more than 50? 6 more. 6 square, 36. Sir. Now again. Sir, this is how much more than 50? 6. Add like 6 to 25. Half of 50, not 50. So add 6 to 50, like 25, which is 31. This is 56 square. Sir, you add this one and this one, you see you are getting this. So that means this is definitely a right angle triangle. This is definitely a right angle triangle. And we all know, sir, in any right angle triangle, what happens? In any right angle triangle, there is a very important thing that happens, or very interesting thing, I should say. That this is, let's say this is 56, and this is 90, and this is 106. Circumference of the circle, like circumcircle. So circumradius is always, or the center is always the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So this is your circumcenter. And what is circumradius? Sir, circumradius, or this part, this is your circumradius, is half of the hypotenuse. So what is the circumference? That is 2 pi r, which is going to be 106 pi. Option number 1. Done. Done. Clear, everybody? Clear, sir? Everybody, sir? 100% clear? This is 100% clear, sir. Nothing that you guys are missing. Nothing which is not clear. There is nothing that you didn't understand, sir. Perfect. Chalo, let's do one more. Let us do one more. Sir, another geometry question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. As we are out of time, I'm doing it, okay? Directly. Try to do it like along with me. In which AB is parallel to DC. One pair is parallel, meaning it is at least a trapezium. Okay? E and F are the midpoints of the diagonals. You don't need to. Again, for those who have done like the classes regularly and understand, they will say, my answer will be half of this. Now again, you will say, अरे ये कैसे हो गया? Right? ये देखो सिद्धार्थ ने बता दिया. Yes, Siddharth. But a couple of weeks back only, I have to like kind of discuss this all over again. Please understand. Don't worry, I'll not leave you guys like this. Don't worry, I will give you a closure. I will definitely, most definitely give you guys a closure. So please understand, minimum trapezium. So ABCD is this, and AB is parallel to DC. AB big, CD less. So this is AB I'm taking, CD. So AB is 18, CD is 6. Okay? They have given you this. Array. So they have given you, there are two diagonals here. Okay? E and F are the midpoints of the diagonals. E is this point and F is this point. Midpoints of the diagonal AC and BD. So this is E, this is F, let's say. Now they are saying, if you join these 2 points, you are getting what? What is the length of EF? What is the length of this? This is what they are actually asking of you. This is what they are actually asking of you, sir. Everybody agrees? So there is a theorem, always remember. In case of any trapezium or any quadrilateral for that matter, where at least one pair of the sides are parallel, at least, you see, I'm using the word. If you join the midpoints of the the diagonals, the theorem is saying, he said, this the line joining those two midpoints is half of the difference of the parallel sides. That means AB minus CD. Over here, why I have written AB minus CD? Because AB is greater than CD. So if you do this, it will be half of 18 minus 6, which is half of 12, which is equal to 6 centimeter, which is option A. Now again, if you solve a few questions like this, you don't need to do all this. You can directly say, sir, this is my answer. Now please understand this, just a quick thing. This question have already been asked in the disguise of parallelogram as well. And I have seen my students miss it. Not only my students, I've seen like hundreds of students miss it. Why? Sir ne to bola. Sir had told us it works for trapezium. That's why you see, again, listen to me very carefully. For any quadrilateral where at least one pair is parallel to each other, one pair of sides. So if it is a parallelogram, it at least one pair is parallel. And I said yes, because both the pairs are parallel. So any parallelogram can be considered as a trapezium as well. It's always a trapezium, then something extra, unique. Getting my point, everyone? So in case of a parallelogram also, this particular property will hold. Now, if it holds in a parallelogram, it will hold in a rectangle. If it holds in a parallelogram, it will hold in a rhombus. If it holds in a rhombus, it will hold in a square. So for the entire family, it will actually hold this particular property. So again, if they want to get you in trouble, they will kind of do all those things. So remember this particular property, very important, and they ask questions from this on a very regularly. Clear, sir, everyone? Clear, everyone? So this was our first practice class for our tier 2. I hope you have learned something new through the practice. You see, the exam is very near. I cannot just start a batch where I'll teach theory separately, then we'll have enough time for practice. Hence, we always go for this type of approach where we will learn every day something new, or at least we'll try to learn something new through practice and practice. So we are targeting to kill two birds with one stone. Right? So with that being said, sir, thank you so much for joining me. Vinith, it's just give you go for a complete revision. Last 25-26 days, go for a complete revision. Vinith, I have a very simple approach here. Go for mocks in the evening, every alternate day. Give mock every day, one day. Next day, go for the analysis of that mock. Again mock, again analysis. Again mock, again analysis. Do it for the first 10-15 days. Last 10-15 days, go for mock regularly. And do the practice. So, you see, mock ke liye, it's like an antibiotic course. You keep 3 hours a day for your mock, and let's say 3 hours again in the next day for the analysis. So that 3 hour slot you always keep. It might be in the morning, evening, depending on how you plan your days. That is separate. Now the remainder of the day, you have your classes. Then you have to have a good amount of time. You must keep it for your self study, for your quick revisions. Okay, only classes will not like work. Only classes you see. I'm trying to give you like selecting questions from each and every sector, so that you can have a very good revision. You have a chance that this was a particular property, that is a particular property, this is that, this is there. But again, you also need to supplement this practice, like through from like through your own practice. So again, you can like with this batch, you have the access to the tool, the practice tool. Please use that. That's a beautiful tool. Okay. So these are the few little things I wanted to tell you guys. So with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. Again, I'll see you guys in the next class then. Till then, please take care. And if you have loved the class, one simple request that I have to all of you, please do rate the class before you guys leave. And to my YouTube audience as well, if you have loved the class, please do hit the like. And if you have any query, any feedback, feel free to share it in your in the comment section. I will be more than happy to like kind of reply back. So how to use the practice tool, Siddharth? Shiva, let me say one thing. Mocks, like Oliveboard, the Oliveboard designs the mocks. So if there are different level categories. Some mocks are difficult, some mocks are easy, some mocks are moderate. So don't go for the marks. Marks, sometimes you will see like very high marks and you will see I've scored very good. You will be very satisfied. Sometimes you will score less, but again, and it might demoralize you. Array, sir, I expected this, but I only got this. So that is not how you proceed. Always look at the percentile. Look at the percentile. Okay, don't go for the like marks, and use mocks to your advantage. How you can better yourself. Okay, mocks ka use of the mocks is not only to get marks, to gain marks. So rather you use it to gain marks. If you have scored this much, let's say you have scored certain, say X. Try next mock, try to gain, like try to go to X plus 5. That's the only goal you must have. That is the only use of the mock. And try to give the mock to like try to kind of simulate a situation as close to the exam situation as possible. I always say this. Always try to do that. Okay, try to give it in a space, cramped space. So if you have a study table, try to cramp it and take a loose page or A4 sheet, whatever. Like try to simulate the exam situation. Try to give the mock there, then and there. Try to like kind of train your brain like that. So that these small little things will help you. Okay. So again, don't go for exact marks. I will never give out any marks. Okay, this is how you should go for. You see, in the tier 1 result also, so somebody said 160, 170, 150, whatnot. I told you, don't go for marks. Many people I know who thought 150, 155 is a must. Without that, nobody can clear. And they like, if you have that much of a cutoff in your mind, you tend to make negative marks. You mark like the wrong things, because in your back of the mind you have, I must score this much, 155. Let's say I'm talking about prelims. So do not put a number in your head. Give your best. Put like whatever you can do that. That's the only thing. Perfect. Chalo, with that being said, sir, thank you so much. I will then again see you guys in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. And definitely please do rate the session before you guys leave. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.